third public speech in 3 days. I was at Resorts World Sentosa yesterday, actually chairing a session because our grassroots organizations retreat was held in Sentosa. And the very grassroots that I serve comes under Pasir Ris Punggol GRC. And our lead minister, of course, is none other than our Deputy Prime Minister, Teo Chee Hean. And then at that session yesterday, I was quite encouraged that we have about 140 of us grassroots leaders that we talk about the 2010 report cards. Also the fact that as a volunteers organization, the one that I serve under as the CCC chairman, we won not only the constituency award for our division for 2010, but also a number of our residents committee have won the excellence award from PA. So that was pretty exciting when we had that retreat there where I was giving an opening address. And also yesterday morning we had a public seminar at Marina Mandarin by People's Association. That is their annual seminar, and our guest of honor was the Deputy Chairman of PA, Lim Boon Heng. And in fact, Dr. Vivian Balakrishnan, Minister for MCYS, was also there. So that was my morning session at the PA seminar, afternoon and evening at the retreat, and give my so-called 3-day, but my second public opening address. Then the day before that, on Saturday night, actually we had the CPA Games closing ceremony. That was where I had to give my opening and welcome address, to about 190 members who have participated in the CPA Games. So in fact, I've been very delighted and very happy to be an ambassador for ICPS, and thank our members for their support. And then over the last few weeks, I've been doing quite a number of these. Just not too long ago, early part of this month, I was attending the World Congress of Accountants in Kuala Lumpur. The World Congress of Accountants is only happening once in every 4 years. And again, I was very privileged to be part of ICPA's team attending the World Congress. I was also one of the speakers at the World Congress, and the World Congress is a 3-day event. Alongside the World Congress, we had a number of side meetings with various other international accountancy bodies where ICPA spoke to, because given the direction of ICPA, we are growing, we are growing quite steadily. We are moving, to a direction, and we are searching new heights. So again, I had those meetings with various bodies, either their president, vice president, CEO, and doing all this, for ICPA. So indeed, today I'm happy to be here. Though it's my third, speech in 3 days. I've got a few more to come before we end the year. So with that, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of ICPS, I would like to welcome you to this part 3 of the Clarity Standards Seminar. As Evelyn said, we are very pleased to have a few distinguished speakers with us this morning. From Ernst & Young, we have Mr. Tan Seng Chun, who is the technical partner for Ernst & Young. We also have Ms. Law Chey Hia, technical director from EY. And from IDA, the Infocom Development Authority, we have Mr. Chen Ken Wei, who is the senior manager of SME Infocom Enabler Division. Now, I mentioned that I had been involved in a number of either public speaking, giving opening, or part of the address, at Congress. Some of you here probably would have attended our inaugural Singapore Accountancy Convention that happened on 2nd of November, which again is just a few weeks ago. At that inaugural Singapore Accountancy Convention, we have a theme, Profession on the Move. I thought that was part of the seminar dressing up. We just need to lighten up a little.